Hello there, YouTubers. Hope you are having a good day. Today I'm going to give you a 1981 triple chime grandfather clock tour. And now, YouTubers, in this video is a little bit different, YouTubers. How I'm going to be showing you it is like how this clock works, YouTubers. So let's just get started with the tour, YouTubers. Starting off, YouTubers, this is a key with the 1981 Howard Miller triple chime grandfather clock. It's made of metal. And this is how to unlock it. I know the door makes some noises as well. I'm just showing you a quick tour of this clock. You may notice one of the weights are missing, and I'll tell you about that maybe in a little bit in the video. There's the moon dial. You can also turn it as well. And you get your second hand, but you do not touch that. And I'll show you what the sound sounds like. Now, YouTubers, I'm going to show you the quarters. Here's the half past. Here's St. Michael's. I'm showing you just a quick tour of this grandfather clock. This 1981 Howard Miller triple chime grandfather clock. Now the quarters. Now here's Westminster. Tours. Now the quarters. Now, YouTubers, what else I'm gonna be showing you is that Wington has 8 notes, all 8 notes, on the quarter pass, and I don't know how many notes you get on your, I know you in the St. Michael's you get double in notes, which means you get, I think you get 8, 20, I think you get 8, 12, 24, and 32, and you get double in notes, and plus on, I think you get 8, 12, 24, you get 8 here, 24, or hold on. I don't know YouTubers, I think you get 8, 12, or 13 notes, I think, on the half pass. You get 8 on the quarter pass. You either get 12 or 13 on the half past hour, and you get on the quarter two, you get 24 notes, and then you get double the notes on the hour, depending on what time it is, and it also counts as the strikes. What I mean is, like, for example, if it was 11 o'clock, that would mean that there would be 42 notes. Hold on, 43 notes. Yeah, if it struck 11. And now, YouTubers, I'm gonna also get to more of the futures. Oh. Here's the crank. Looks like a jack in the box. Those things you like that pop out with a head. Hope I didn't break the weight. This is the winding tour. Some clocks go clockwise and counterclockwise. That's the winding clock tour. These clocks have Wington, St. Michael's, and Westminster as the chime. And YouTubers, this is the pendulum. What I'm gonna do is there's a quick way, YouTubers, you can set the time. Like, let me show you. You can move your hour hand, not the minute hand, just at the correct time. And then I'm gonna put it on the hour. Like, this way is this part of the tour is a quicker way to set the time on your grandfather clock. So what you have to do, like, if the time was incorrect and it was 12:54, is you can move the hand depending on what time it is. Now I'm gonna set the time, YouTubers, then move the minute hand, and then wait for the clock to be done chiming. Then so I hope you enjoyed that grandfather clock. This is 1981 Howard Miller grandfather clock tour. Please subscribe, really like, and dislike. Comment below like and dislike, and of course note. And also be a normal ring fan, of course note. Peace out.